sometimes in Denmark you can feel that the entire bus is just running for you. Look at this, bus is fully empty and it's just me and my husband going to... Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm taking you with me to Stevens Klint here in Denmark. Stevens Klint is located in Danish island of Zealand and it can take up to 2.5 hours by public transport from the Copenhagen Central Station. We took 2 trains and then a bus to reach the location. This is the Stevens Klint Cliff, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, because this is the best place in the world to see a thin layer of clay with the traces of asteroids which actually wiped the dinosaurs and more than half of the species of the earth 66 million years ago. And look at this site, which is really nice, and it's a different experience to come here. Now we are going to go up and we'll aim to reach that place. Let's go. So this is again another adventure trip that we are doing during this week in July 2021 in Denmark. We bought 8 days free travel tickets in Denmark by DSB. These tickets are sold only during summertime and it's the best option for tourists who want to cover a lot of places. You can find out more about this at dsb.dk. Behind me there are a lot of rocks and people have written their name on it, so I thought why not I should also do the same thing. So this with chalk, it's K, okay, only K. Critical comedy was here. Yes. And I can say that this is again one of the best places that I have seen so far. And really lovely, and you can feel that it is different and something is unique about this place. You can go all the way up to there, but now we have to also find the way back to the top there so that we can go back home. Yes, but this was a really lovely place to visit and we did a day trip. It's like just to spend 3 hours here and we didn't cover so much. They say that you can also plan a day and stay here nearby and cover a lot of places, but this was our main aim to see and we visited, and this is really lovely.